All right, welcome back, everybody. Good Tuesday evening to you all. This time tomorrow, we will have little trick-or-treaters running around all over the state here, all over the country as well. Starting to get a little dark now, and again, twilight really ends at about 6:45 here, so it really starts to get dark. Please be careful driving around tomorrow if you're not trick-or-treating because of some of the reduced visibility and some rain, maybe some wet snow, and also some wind for parts of the state. But had some wind today. Right now, it's kind of easing up a little bit, only out of the west at 8 miles per hour for the capital. 44 degrees outside right now. We didn't really get out of the 40s today. Also 44 around Great Falls with a west wind of 12 miles per hour. Nice looking clear sky, at least from that vantage point. Already freezing in West Yellowstone, 36 in Dillon, and a lot of the state is generally in the 40s right now, after highs in the 40s and the 50s. And the wind had been stronger earlier today. It is subsiding somewhat. Had some wind gusts 40 miles per hour plus off of the East Glacier area and off of the Rocky Mountain front. And at times today, a couple little sprinkles, couple little flurries coming down, mainly flurries over the mountains and a few sprinkles over the lower elevations. A couple of bigger showers now moving through the eastern part of the state, up here around Opine, crossing Wolf Point and the Missouri River, moving towards North Dakota. Some snow down into Colorado. Denver picking up some snow, several inches likely there. So it's not just Montana that is feeling the change of the seasons. And good news for the Colorado kids. A lot of that snow will be moving out in time for tomorrow. But here's a look at future track, and we've got the wind here tonight and a couple of mountain snow showers. Things really are quiet overnight tonight. Too bad we can't trick or treat overnight tonight. Tomorrow, though, look at the clouds increasing. Here comes the snow. Notice it's mainly blue or white or Wedgwood gray, what have you. We've got some rain maybe mixed in at times around the capital, some rain showers around Great Falls, but notice it really doesn't make it all the way out to the Lewistown area here. So closer to the Continental Divide, and I think through the afternoon, here we are 4:30 around the capital, likely a little mix of some rain and snow. Way out in the valley, just rain, but maybe around to the downtown area, a mix of rain and snow. So a sloppy day, a cool day. We'll have some wind, and with the clouds and with the kind of reduced visibility, it will kind of get dark a little faster tomorrow, so be careful driving around. Like I said before, things quiet down overnight Wednesday night into Thursday, but next comes the leading edge of the next system here. And notice, though, it's more green. This next front coming through will be a warm front later Thursday night into Friday, and that will allow the snow levels to go way on up there. So initially, we will have several inches of snow in the western mountains here, and then it's after Thursday, that's when those snow levels come up, and we'll see more in the way of maybe some rain melting some of that snow falling in the mountains. But don't worry, it'll go back over to snow by the time we get into Friday morning and then Saturday morning. So here's the lows for tonight, down into the 20s and the 30s. A chilly night here for a lot of the state. Top of Kings Hill all the way down to 19. Upper 20s to right around the freezing point for the capital. And here is Wednesday's forecast for Halloween. There it is in the western part of the state. May have a shower out as far east as about Havre and Lewistown, but really northeast Montana looks very nice tomorrow. Mostly sunny, highs in the 50s. It will be breezy and will be windy, breezy conditions here in the western part of the state as well. Cooler temperatures, so you might have to throw a sweatshirt or a jacket underneath that costume. For Thursday, here comes that warm front. Warmer air coming in, temperatures going back up into the 50s, snow levels rising on Thursday. And then Friday, here we go, a cold front coming through late in the day, changing rain and wind over to snow and wind by Saturday morning. So Friday, a little warmer here, but by Saturday morning, we've got some snow around, and Saturday afternoon, we'll have windy conditions with highs only in the 40s. And it gets a little drier Saturday afternoon before another system comes through on Sunday. So I said it's really like a roller coaster, this stormy weather pattern, because over the next 7 days, we've got some precipitation, either rain and or snow, just about every single day. Saturday night, an extra hour of sleep, so we get a 49-hour stormy weekend. And then for Great Falls, some rain showers around tomorrow. It's windy, it's cool, it's not the worst for Halloween, and then we'll likely have a mix of rain and snow developing Friday night into Saturday, Sunday, and then Monday and Tuesday. Colder air comes in, so it's more snow than rain.
All right. Thanks for that, Curtis. And stay where you are, because coming up next in sports.